Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Sharmila Jain with you today to teach instructions. You need to follow certain techniques while writing instructions. In this module, we'll see how to write and how to go about writing instructions. Let's begin. An effective set of instruction requires the following. The first thing is be clear, precise, and very simple in writing. The next thing, you need to have a thorough understanding of the procedure in all its technical details. With a brief introduction, it's now time we begin. And here are your guidelines to write good set of instructions. First, you need to have a good equipment. Follow the tips. Then, while writing, be very clear and it should be easily understandable. Ensure that you start your instruction with a bullet point and the language you use should be sequential, that is, first, next, then, finally. And if required, you can also add a diagram to prove your statement. We should always begin writing instructions by using imperatives. Imperatives, they are nothing but they are verbs. They used to give command or instructions. Sometimes they give direction. They make a request or even give a warning. Now, let's see the step-by-step process involved in preparing tea. Step 1. Add 1 cup of freshly boiled water to your tea bag, that is in a mug. Step 2. Allow the tea bag to brew for 2 minutes. Step 3. Remove the tea bag. Step 4. Add 10 milliliters of milk. And now the final step. Wait for few minutes before consumption for the tea to reach its optimum temperature. It's important to note that in the beginning of the instruction, I have used imperative. Add, allow, remove, add again and wait. Hope you're clear. Follow these points while writing instructions. First, use short sentences. The next one is arrange your points in logical order. The third point is that your statement should be very specific and you should always use the imperative mood. Point number 5. Put the most important item in each sentence at the beginning. Say one thing in each sentence. Thus, each sentence should convey a meaning. Be very clear and crisp to the point. While choosing words, be careful to avoid jargon and technical terms. Next, give an example or an analogy if you think a statement may puzzle you. And once you complete writing, check your draft for the logic of presentation. Do not omit any step or do not try to take shortcuts. Now, in a nutshell, let me brief out how to give instructions in English. The very first thing, use the imperative form. That is, we use the imperative form to give orders, warning, and advice. That is, be quiet, take care, listen, sit down, get me something to drink. These are some of the examples of using the imperative form. What is the next procedure? The next procedure is to use a modal verb to turn the order into a request. Modal auxiliaries such as can and could be used. For example, could you help me is more polite than help me. Here are some more examples for your better understanding. Could you make me some tea? Could you post this letter? Could you lend me $50, please? Could you bring me that file? Could you listen to me? Could you listen? Could you pick up the kids from the school? Can you come here, please? Can you do something for me? Can you do this for me? Can you wait a minute? Can you give me a lift? So these are the examples for the modal auxiliaries. In both the auxiliaries of can and could is more polite than can. Both can and could are followed by a verb without to. Hope the session was useful, and now here is a task for you. Write a set of 8 instructions to prepare well for your examination. Hope the session was useful. Do drop your instructions in the comment box below. For more updates, stay tuned, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.